Good afternoon, country people. Then we glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Tory House. Inside we turn numbers, sabi say na today we honorable them. They don't turn back for that side. So for Yawinde, na for start talk as waiting they happen. Sabi say for the turn talk we come up for Kabayege Jibril him up. He talk say big Asia for people that they for Norwest and Southwest. We inside the palava so one or two people them they don't die for Sika palava way they happen for Norwest and Southwest. But according to Tori we enter for we here for that side for Yawinde. Palava for Norwest and Southwest, it no be been at the trunk talk where it dey for top table as we honorable them. They start for the meetup for Yawinde today. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go tell una palava this land where it dey happen from Dobor. Sabi say na today, person wey talk say na he get land, if he don't promise, say he get for turn back for continue side way it be end yesterday. We go tell una too, say for that side, so for Loom, Oga Mayor and Oga Dio themselves, they don't join hand for talk say waiting. Say this palava way they happen for Norwest and Southwest, for say make you no enter for Loom, they say make all Okada people them, they try for see as way they go identify themselves. And Mayor, if they talk say money, it no go be for inside that palava. We go tell una too, we go take una go for place where they call them say Compina, for people that way they dey waka for National Road number 5. Una sabi say Compina, it just dey na corner Suza, na me say where you pass Suza, na where you meet up Compina, then as where you go for before, you go meet up other small places them and even Banga sesep for that side. So we go enter for Compina side for tell una how way people they she done for their daily life for place where they call them say Compina. All this story then so we go finish them with way newspaper then say they talk this afternoon. Big part talk editor we say waiting. Say if drummer person, a drummer, he never hurt, juju, he no go fit for commode for dance. If drummer person, a drummer, he never hurt fanfine, juju, he no go fit for commode for dance. Sango Tikumusu Kasa Achale for that side for land for legendary hospitality inside Boya. Now he send with big part of for this afternoon. I dey turn back some more time. Good afternoon again, country people them. As so we start for talk for turn numbers. Sabi say we honorable them. They start for meet up for that side for Yawinde today. Official. They don't start for meet up again. And inside the turn talk, Oga President Kabayege Jibril. Even as we talk for Norwest Southwest, it no be then at the trunk thing for inside the meet up with the meet up. He try for send a big Asham for people them where they dey for Norwest and Southwest, way for Sikadi Palava. Family people them they don't die for inside. But Sabi say no so them for inside agenda as so they call them we honorable them. They get for she done for talk for that side. Sabi say they talk Palava to federalism, Palava the talk according to way Joseph Banazem when I be head boy for all SDF them honorable for inside parliament. He talk he say so for ye now for same the shidon for see as well the federalism thing. He goes also for Wakam, but honorable them for CPDM they talk say palava for federalism na so thing where they get for put am for chair for talk for see whether true the federalism is fine or no fine. We go bring una image for till we pass for National Assembly this time. Tomorrow, but make una sabi say senator then say they get for meet up today. Now for 4 o'clock, we go so she done for stay for here wait till they go talk for that side. Inside Tori for Tori House this afternoon, we go start now for that side for Ndobo na for inside Duala for Bonaberi side. Now Palava for land, we go start Tori this afternoon with them. Una sabi say people them where they shidon for place where they call and say Ndobo, they vex. After with some person, he can't chakara from the house away. They just start for make it turn up for up. According to Tori we enter for we EM, this person where he talks and I get the land, he say don't buy all the land them, but all the population from Dobo, they show we book them for tell we say them say they don't buy the land and they get book them for show proof say they so that land na their own. Now on top all the cry, all the vex, where it is so these people then say from double side where they don't touch the house, where they be promised and say today they go can chakadam, they work go for divisional officer office yesterday for talk say wetin oga D.O. make you say you can put your mouth for the palava before people that they start sleep straight for inside Douala. So all them from double they be comot join with one mob, they go see D.O. for tell you say Repe na time for you for enter for inside the chapter. If no be so, na people them you go see and way they don't already sleep so for ground. Now for Sika palava for land country people them. Will they ever talk all the day? Anytime you go here say the one don't kill the one for Sika palava land. But na the so land they go so put we. When the one he die, they go so dig ground put it for inside. So last. All we na property for ground. So I know sabi why we dey fight for on top land we land na it is so chop we go left this palava for double country people them. We go left this palava for land. We go for different chapter for this afternoon. I want to say make we take una go for place where they call am say Compina. As so I don't fit talk am Compina so for na for inside Douala and ifo for under Bonalea subdivision. Bonalea dey for Mungo division sesep for Douala here. Compina na town wey e dey normal for people them. But light e no dey. Yes, the poor one at the sea and so. If light is lost for Compina, the people that they forget about light. Water in no day. All side for Compina na so borehole, and they can BB container the way they don't turn up and so that when borehole they come out, it enter, it remain for up. And for this side, as you see the people them, they then have for borehole they carry water. For Sika say for day, they no get no nothing. They say they no even that one na quarter so no go talk say they no get quota for their road them. But the two way they worry them na water. Mami the way they no get power like a D1, they no go fit for carry water for where. You understand? Where the way they dey for inside Compina na different thing. I say where them for Compina, all man he must to get where or he must to get borehole. If you no get that two thing them, forget. Even school self as soon as the sea and school self he own he no better. Light he no day. Water they suffer. Light e own better say if he come one time e she done, but e no the ever take. As well light e dey come one time e don't go. Compina e no get police station, e no get gendarme place. Any case where they catch thief man, they carry and go now for Suza or they carry and go for Banga. The only the Kamamburu people they dey for Compina na one the way they work for CDC. And Sabi say even water B and light B, all thing they depend na whether na for Suza or for that side for Banga. So Compina e just she don't need the look place. E just dey na for corner road. When you pass Suza, you dey meet up Compina. When you pass Compina, you continue for go for Banga. So people the way they hear about na palava for light. Light in no day. When light e wan come, e she don like for 1 week. When he lost, they forget about am. If she don't say 1 month, e no come. But they dey so pay bill. We be talk with his son with brother for that side. Repeat we una palava chapter 1.
Compina town here for more than 14 years. We dey suffer for here for Sika palava water and for Sika electricity. It not been our cry. Every day light come, tomorrow it go back. And will not be since 1 month now, we will not be get light. All our activities therefore here will not be worst. So we dey beg to for government, may they try for see what way if we do. Our cry through for here again, it been our brother there where they don't come up for Bamenda and Southwest, they don't come be with for here. All we the join now with the suffer. With the beg say make God and the government make them try for see what way them we do for so that we feel get all facility than what we need them for life. I don't be for Compina town here for more than 14 years. We the suffer for here for Sika palava water and for Sika electricity. It don't be.
So, can the people them now someone of we brother than that for that side so for Compina be the talk now for Chief Robert Mukube in microphone. We be meet up with some other papa too for that side. He na papa we don't she done for Compina where he try for tell we the different thing then two way e the hotty for Ibele. He says he talk now for Chief Robert Mukube in microphone.
Plenty here because we no get enough water here and electricity. We get poles and here they always fall up after when they don't put pole and they reach 1 month. One shift pole they don't fall, and the sonnet they take time before they come back for come put the poles. It will make 2 months before they come back for come put the new one for come repair them. That means water for here it be very hard. We always dig our wells, and the streams they very far. We have Mbonge, Lenge. where they be very far in the forest. So we only dig now well. We not get any security place for here. But CDC, Cameroon Development Corporation, it don't help, it send army them for here. These armies, they the guide na robber, but the natives, they don't gain because they come right into the natives. They can't catch the people there. After when they don't carry you, they carry you go to Bonalea or Banga, where for they will get gendarmes and
Yes, just for Sabi say for this chapter with the talk, honorable then they don't start for Shidon, and as Sabi say some honorable they way people them for Compina they be voting. But how many times you don't go for Compina, wait till you don't give them for people them for Compina, where they feel member you. Water sep in no day where they feel talk say they feel the drink and for that side for Compina. So honorable now for look out. But Sabi say for Compina even as where they suffer away light, it they come go, water sep na but what thing where they had forget security post in no day Compina na place where Papa God he don't bless his more. And waiting Papa God take bless Compina na place where oya it dey come up plenty. Yes, na place where this will red oil wey with the chopper it dey come up plenty. For that side all corner na Banga. So na the business that where people them for inside Compina they do am in the proper. Yes, Compina people them as well they say am all side na Banga. Banga. So the main business where they do am for that side for Compina na oya. It is say no. Now the kind thing that this way they give people the money for that side so for Compina. Then go there they say he owner for carry Banga. He find he make and so that shifter so that dirty come out. Other one they work now for inside. So now the kind work than this where it is so they give plenty people the way they do for Compina money. Only this work where they say and so they do and so. If you give them even 100,000, if you give them 200,000, bet then say again a big problem. Now say road in no day for carry their cargo. Even cassava, kunkum, fufu, all thing a day for Compina. All that one then so it make people then for Compina for put small gari on top their table. We be talk with the Dangonde the one see and so we the shifter Banga them. We try for aksi. If na they work that way they do for inside Compina. He says he talk now for Chief Robert Mukube a microphone.
I did do it in Banga because now the Banga they give me money from Compina. So anyhow, if I no work in Banga, then Banga no fee give me money. And then I did try for shifter in Banga so now me that dirty come off for inside fine. So that me produce me plenty.
Yes, country people them sabi say e better for work for do something for chop money wey sabi say na better money than for do the other thing the way we sabi am wey plenty other people they do am. We go just waka enter for inside loom sabi say Compina na road wey they go for loom. We go enter for loom for talk say wetin say mayor for that side for loom and DO all them two they don't join hand for talk say make bad boy them. They no enter for inside loom, say they go enter for loom for use Okada. Yes, now town that for loom country people as we all we would see and so. But loom town now Okada people they get the whole town just like even Douala way. Now so Okada way na the easiest way where you feel like enter for inside your quarter. So all these Okada people them they don't hear say for northwest and for southwest according to way they talk for loom. Say it dey so now the people they cause confusion now for Sika wider way. They talk say they no one hear any confusion where it go pass for loom way. Now some person way they for inside Okada people them e make am. Now for Sika wide that where it dey so mayor Oga Kwate Giwambo and even DO they call Okada people them. She done with them for office or DO. They tell them say we want to say make any man they can identify. And this identify it go happen now for loom council. And loom it don't talk say mayor man it don't talk say no money you know they ask. Now they say make they identify and make all man get a choisi as well they call her so that any man if he identify himself. So now the thing then that way make a mayor and DO. They say they want to say make security a day for inside loom for Palava Okada. They don't want to say make now for Okada side confusion it go enter for inside loom. Sabi say loom says a day now with Kombi with Tombe and Tombe and loom you know over far way. So if you see the kind of security so if they want to make now for Sika say they don't want to say make people they can't join them then they start make confusion. situation for inside that side so for Loom. Jackie Nomolo may be put in microphone for Guy Kwate when a mayor for that side so for inside Loom. Make we hear what we get for talk.
Una don't see say for Southwest what it happen, and una don't see say people they use motor for begin attack, force them, now begin shoot gun for that side. Now why for this we on side we don't hear say we don't see say if I say all people where they want make motor taxi for this side for Loom, say they must know man where want make motor taxi. They must know any motor where people they drop for inside Loom. Now why we they call all Ben Skinner them say if I say all we been together for say people where they want enter between we for begin bring disorder, say we know them. We want also say for no say if the demand get motor or the man they drop the motor they belong for the man or the man where they drop motor he name na so. Any man they come for Loom enter, any man they come for Loom enter for drop motor, any time they come enter. You know if you talk for some man say una dey how much we know, or the man where they drop motor now come man you know. We want say if you did thing where they happen for Southwest in one come for Loom, say we know if it's thing that don't come between we before that thing they happen. Now why are they ask una say motor taxi man them? Make we been together, make we come.
Yes, na mayor that for that side so for Loom, Jackie Nomolum be put in microphone too for some one of the head boy them for Okada people them for that side for Loom. Make we hear what we say again for talk for Palava this ndongamen will be happen with them DO and mayor for inside Loom.
Down driver for moto. He say made see our country not find now security for Loom. We supposed to take care for security for Loom. On driver for motor is supposed to look for people where they come enter and come out for Loom, because if the driver who know, actually the driver know people enter and come out for Loom. Then all people supposed to come together with administration. We try to do something with good.
Yes, so now people then that Mayor Sesep and even head boy, one of the head boy them, Palava Okada. We go left Palava for Okada now, so we enter now for chapter for another binet, and this binet na cow binet. We go take una go for market where they sell cow for that side for Fumban, country people them. This market for cow for Fumban, according to Tori we enter for we ear. Only thief where it dey for inside the market na other kind. I say people they enter market only for thief cow. No be na say na cow where they don't kill them. One way they flop so they the thief am. Now when they ask question whether true, these people they no get police them. But answer they police e dey there. I say police e dey there. Police say they should don't look all the thing them. Now they ask question how they take carry the cow. No be na say na goat. One of the thing na palava thief. Another one na say people they dey where they knack people then stick for that market. Market e no get toilet, e no get water, and people then say they no get better store the way the fish done for inside. For people there they make business for inside that market for sika the cow. So people they ask question. All money the way they pay for council for Fumban. Who side that money they go? When market like a D1 where they get for put all kind of fence for day and even make better store them for people that for she don't inside say money no dey. Why they know they do all that in the who side money where they take them for council, who side money where they take about business with them. Now the big question that some person for that side for Fumban, it tell we waiting be their problem. He talk now for Jean Paul Shun and the last channel their microphone. Make we hear.
Some man go give cow go keep them. Some people they come keep them.
For thief, yes, problem for thief. Well, if that side for Ngaundere or for that side for Fumba, na thief and na palava say security no dey, place it dirty. Make we take una go for Ngaundere. For Ngaundere side, so chapter for binet for cow. We go talk say wetin. Old way for key cow e dey. But on top the old way, new way, it don't enter. Now the old way this, now for ground, they kick cow, it dirty anyhow, they carry and go market with the social chopper. They say black man no dey die dirty. So these people then they like some 500. Yeah, black man no dey die dirty, now why that way they kick cow for ground. Carry and go market say, People they go buy and cook am, make arrow, make timanabosa, do all kind of job with am. They say black man no dey die dirty, and all work for them now with his hand. It means say machine no dey. So the one he employ for around 500 people there for that side for Ngaundere. Ben governor don't talk say better. Make some other one a come way a feed the key cow for some fine way. Now for Sika why that way Dr. Tiger, where he be in a minister for chapter for cow binet. He go open the new place. See am for your cow, the key cow fine. And na machine they do all thing he dey can't be clean. No be na the kind of thing where you go talk say cow with dirty or I don't sick. But anything he get the advantage, he get the disadvantage. Ndamba Sesep, we talk on this afternoon. We take una go for Alphonse Masamba Fi for that side for Democratic or for Congo Brazzaville. Now for the way woman football team yesterday, they show Congo Brazzaville. They say we sabi for Nak Ndamba. Say una be small picking, una be small gondere them. We sabi for Nak Ndamba. Then Nak Ndamba in the proper with the Congo Brazzaville and Gondere. Una sabi the score no 5-0. Cameroon is score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Congo Brazzaville not. This one is then number 1 Ndamba. For see as well people they feel qualify for 2019 or 2018 woman Ndamba. Now Ghana people then they go happen in Ndamba. Sabi say for the other Ndamba the way it pass also for the kind of one we get people them like who there we get Nigeria where it come out it go knock Gambia 1-0. Then we get Algeria say where they win their own match. Algeria to knock their own people then 3-1. We get who them Kenya it tonton so he knock Equatorial Guinea 2-1. Ivory Coast and Mali they be make 2-2. Then we get Zimbabwe where he go meet us Zambia for your own house too. In Nakam 1-0. Sabi say all the Ndamba them number 2 Ndamba it go happen now for this weekend where they enter. And Cameroon if he knock Congo again where he goes also Nakam that one a short in. He go qualify for go play Ndamba woman Ndamba for Ghana. Sabi say for now they never yet Sabi now only Ghana Sesep he don't qualify for play the Ndamba for Sikasi na them go the happen. So now the small thing and that's what we cook and for now for this afternoon for this side so for Equinox Tory House newspaper then Sesep waiting they get for talk. The Guardian Post where he dey for outside this sometime he get it Tory for talk he tell we say waiting for Tron number Palava for Norway and Southwest. Federalism and general heart. Now some of the things in that way Musonge a commission for bilingualism and multiculturalism they write them for inside the report where they give for Kunkuma. So for inside the chapter for Norwest and Southwest they ask na BB question. Say it is so all the people there they talk with Elisa a country talk where they dey for inside parliament or the one the way they dey like a senator. They go join one mob for talk say this the way they happen for Norwest and Southwest make it be for inside agenda for today. Big question. National Assembly already they never talk no nothing. Now for we for wait see wait where they happen for inside Senate. The Guardian Post it gets order to read them for talk am. The post weekend as SSF a day for outside. The post weekend as SSF it tell him after waka for Norwest bilingualism commission it don't get in the way people them for Norwest they talk am from Kunkuma. So for inside that chapter they tell we say confusion it dey for inside country just now for say whether they go make vote for get new honorable them mayor them and councillor them sabi say Kunkuma normal e be get for call electoral people them for number 21 day for inside this moon. International crisis groups SSF e don't talk say moon for May e be war plenty blood they throw him. So now so they talk say they did the way they did for before no man in no sabiti way if he pass. Now the story then that's where we come with them for newspaper. They talk this afternoon. Country people them if you dey for Boya find Derek Jato he go answer you present. Now for Limbe David Sinmai Moses he go answer present. For Kumba Ogalai he answer present. For that side for Bamenda you feel meet up who for Bamenda town Sesep you go meet up Ginny Edmond and person where they call am say Boo Stella Sabi say so for Bamenda for Kumbo we get people them like who Christopher where if he answer present. For this side you feel meet up Steve Ebule Claude Ukwa aka HTC and Chief Robert Mukubem for place where they call him say Bonaberi. Jackie Nomolomi the answer present for Loma and Kupe Maningubam and Cyril Jemba Seseb the answer present for Sai for Melon. Country people them now for here we'll see as we to finish. Big thank you for Akemazu Matilda wey dey na be the same way image them, and Ledupone na say they make you dey hear my voice for outside. Ambassador go turn back for some time with other tori the way they happen for country. Una hold am tight.